Welcome to this video. Glad to have you here. If you are in a position where you're stuck, maybe you're a bit burnt out, maybe you're stuck, maybe you're a complete beginner trying to make money online, I've got one prompt for you that I'm going to show you right now that will help you work out the best income stream for you. And the best thing is you can change things around and run it and get a tailor-made income stream for you that's quick and easy. So I'm looking forward to showing you this prompt. I will leave this prompt in the comments as well, so you can just copy and paste it. And if you're just looking for help getting started making money online with the easiest income streams, check out the AI income operating system. I'll link it below. That's my course, and it will guide you through with step-by-step videos. Okay, so let's get into it. You can see the prompt on your screen now. Act as a realistic, experienced online income coach who has helped thousands of beginners build profitable income streams. Your job is to first interview me before giving advice. So what this does, quite simply, step one, you've got questions here about your income goals, how quickly you want results, how much time you can commit, your current skills and experience, any past online business experience, your budget to start, whether you prefer passive or active income, what you're comfortable creating, video, writing, social posts and so on, whether you prefer affiliate services, digital products, e-commerce, YouTube, your risk tolerance, your interests in niches, and your strengths, sales, writing, tech, design, speaking. Okay? Ask all questions first, then wait for the answers. And then, based on the answers, give me the single best online income stream for me, and show realistic income timelines and how much effort is required, and then give me a step-by-step plan and a traffic strategy. It will also tell you any beginner mistakes. So what I did with this prompt is just run a sample run. You can see at the bottom here, you don't have to include this bit. I've put fill in the answers yourself and give me a look at the sample results, and here we go. So it's gone through with a sampling, like an example, and you can see short term £500, $500 a month, medium term £2,000, $2,000 a month, £5,000, $5,000 a month, and so on. Okay, and then it's given me the answers: 2 or 3 hours a day, skills or experience, basic computer skills, can follow tutorials, not highly technical, and so on. Tried affiliate marketing before, no consistent income, budget, it's even filled that in, and it's just gone through. This is very beginner, it's gone through as in a beginner. And then the best income stream it recommended based on that input, I'm going to show you another one in a second so you can see how it changed. Based on that input was an AI assisted faceless YouTube affiliate channel. Now if you get an income stream that you don't like the look of, you can just say run it again and give me something tailored towards this direction, or you can say run it again and give me another income stream. So you don't have to take the first one, but then it's given me a realistic income timeline, an effort required, and then exact step-by-step plan, which you can expand on. Okay, so you could get it to pick the niche for you, and so on. And then it's going through your week one and what you should do, month one, daily focus, and then it's got a traffic strategy: YouTube search, suggested videos, shorts traffic, and then Google ranking videos. So all YouTube for this one. And then what I did, it's given beginner mistakes, but I said run it again. Yes, run another sample with different profile, and it's given me some different answers. Okay, so it's talking more about I'm a good communicator, confident speaking, basic computer skills, can learn tech quickly, no online business, and it's talking about that. So it's filled in these answers, and it said local lead generation and simple AI marketing service. Okay, so and then walked through that, why this is the best based on your answers. And what you do with these guys is each of these steps it gives you. So if it's given you step 2, best income stream, you can ask it to expand. If it's given you the exact action plan, you can ask it to expand and give you a step-by-step instructions. Okay, so really simple. The answer that you get will very much be based on the answers that you give on that. The main difference with this prompt is that you're actually answering these questions, so you'll get something tailored for you. So if you're stuck, go and run that prompt. I'll leave it in the comments. Let me know how you get on in the comments section. Let me know if you run it, if you come up with something, and what it will do is give you some clarity. You don't have to take that income stream, but you're going to get something tailored for you that will work. So I hope this has given you some value. If it has, do give us a like, do give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for everything to do with making money online using AI to make it easier. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out the AI income operating system if you just want to get going super fast, and I will see you in the next one.